Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we have something special on our program, Swedish Almond Cake. This amazing combination of crunchy almond cake and delicate cream will leave no one indifferent. The recipe is not difficult and the taste is simply delicious. My son loves all desserts made with almond flour, so I decided to make this cake for his birthday. Let's make this amazing dessert together and please ourselves and our loved ones. So the preparation, I will start with the cream as it needs to cool down. For the cream you will need 6 egg yolks, 150 milliliters of cream of 20% fat, 150 grams of sugar, 225 grams of softened butter 82.5%, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, or 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. I separated the whites from the yolks, being careful not to let a drop of yolk get into the protein. To the yolks I add a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, or you can add vanilla sugar, mix well with a whisk. The bowl for the whites must be degreased and absolutely dry, as well as the whisk of the mixer. Combine the cream with the sugar and heat it well so that the sugar is completely dissolved. The cream is hot but does not boil. Pour the hot cream into the egg yolks in small portions, stirring constantly. Pour the mixture back into the pan and cook over low heat, stirring constantly, until thickened, about 5 to 7 minutes. If the mass remains a dense layer on the spatula or spoon, and if you spend a trace it does not lose its shape, that's all, my cream is ready. I pour in a bowl, cover with a film in contact and must cool completely. I whip the egg whites with a pinch of salt to a rich, stable foam, starting at low speed and gradually increasing to high. When the peaks appear, gradually add the sugar and whip at maximum speed until the mixture is dense and shiny and the peaks are firm. It is important not to overdo it, as the whites can also be over-whipped. Pour in the almond flour or ground almonds in small portions and gently stir with a spatula in a circular motion from top to bottom. Do not over-whip. Line a 20 to 22 centimeters form with baking paper. If you do not have a form, you can draw circles on the paper of the desired diameter, lightly grease with oil. I forgot to do this and the cakes were difficult to remove from the paper. I divided the dough into 4 parts. I placed them on the paper and smoothed them out with a spatula. I baked on a rack in a preheated oven 170 to 180 degrees 20 to 25 minutes until golden, mode top down without convection. Leave to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes, then remove the paper and transfer to a rack to cool completely. The cakes remain soft. Let's get back to the cream. Whip the soft butter until fluffy, then reduce the speed of the mixer and gradually add the cooled custard. Mix on low speed until smooth. If the cream is too soft or liquid to work with, place it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Let's move on to assembling the cake. I divided the cream in a cup in about 5 parts. On the cooled cake, spread one part of the cream, leveled, cover the second cake and then do the same with all the roots. And the last cake, spread the cream, put the ring in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, also the remaining cream. I left them in the refrigerator overnight. Carefully remove the baking ring and spread the remaining cream around the edges. Sprinkle almond petals on top and around the edges. Decorate as you like. I added candles and decorated it with jelly bears and strawberries. That's it, our IKEA almond cake is ready. This dessert is sure to please you with its softness and rich, nutty flavor. Topped with light cream and crunchy almond slices, it is the perfect end to any meal. Don't be afraid to experiment and try new recipes at home, because cooking is a real pleasure. I hope you will be inspired and make your loved ones happy with this cake. Give us a like, share your results and impressions in the comments. Enjoy and see you soon!